Just a quick update before I head down the allotment, show you a few things that I've got at home and what I plan to do over this bank holiday weekend. So let me swing the camera around and I'll show you what I've got here at the house at the minute. Right, first things first is all my peppers. These are all my peppers. Some of them have got some flower buds on them. But I think I'll be taking them off because I want the plants to be a bit bigger. They need potted on, so maybe during the week I might do that. But yeah, they're all mixed. I don't even know which is which anymore because I messed up when I was putting them on. So it's going to be a bit of a surprise. Time for the potatoes, so I'm going to take these potatoes up. I've got my main crop Cara here, and I've got some second early Kestrel. But as you can see, they're all chitted well and all ready to go out. Got a bit of sunshine here today next time. Hopefully it will stay all day. Okay, these are two giant strawberry plants that Dolores gave me. I'll tell you about the white netting in a minute. These are my potatoes from my single seed potato challenge. They're growing okay at the minute. Just a little bit of parsley, some red mustard, red dragon mustard. I've got some black seeded Simpson, some Lola Rossa, and these are my leeks. So there's Musselburgh and Leon too. Nothing in here at the minute. This is squash and sweet corn. Over here I've got nasturtiums. I've got to get out of the shadow. Nasturtiums, my sunflowers. I've got red vein sorrel. It's all coming along nicely. And in here I've got two different types of swede. So I've got a purple top Milan and best of all, or something like that. These are my sweet peas. I think I'll take these up as well. And here I've got a mixture of some greyhound cabbage. There's Amsterdam cauliflower and there's some red cabbage at the back. And here again I've got some Amsterdam cauliflower, and I've got some red cabbage here, and I've got 3 kohlrabi at the back. That's them. So that's like all the brassicas. They all need to go under netting soon before the dreaded butterflies get at them. And here, these are mostly my tomato plants. I've got a few odd things here, like I've got some chard that needs potted on. Chrysanthemums need potted on. Calendula, only 2 calendula out of all those seeds. And these are my achocha, which are coming on rather well. So hopefully they'll be able to get them in the ground soon. But that's it. And there's a few red vein sorrels that are left over, excuse me. Over here I've got some coriander. I've got some cylindria beetroot in here. This one is spring onions. This one is pak choy, nothing to show in there. I've got 2 different types of basil in here. I've got Thai basil and the normal sort of like green Italian basil. And I've got some romaine lettuces in here as well. I've got a piece of ginger in there. I was trying to grow it and it just wasn't growing at all, so I've put it in that dish of water, see if that revitalises it. And here I've got some oregano and I've got some garlic chives in here. Never been able to grow garlic chives. Now, the white netting over that bed is because we're getting an influx of cats. Next door had a cat, which was fine. It'd flee whenever it saw us. It'd come in, it'd just sit in the sun and sun itself all day. Then when we wanted to let the rabbits out, we'd just shoo it and it'd go. Unfortunately, they've got another cat, which is coming in, and the second cat has got our little friend with him as well. So we've now got 3 cats regularly coming into the garden, and they started using that trough as a litter tray last week. So I've put that over it to try and stop them using it as a litter tray at the minute. I will get something a bit more permanent in place maybe this weekend. If the weather turns bad, I'll do some work here in the garage and maybe get something, a netted lid or something that I can put over it. But yeah, things are coming on, and tomatoes are looking good. There's all different types of tomatoes here. Hopefully the squashes, which are right there, are they there? Yeah, the squashes, the sweet corn, and the beans. I've got beans down there in root trainers. They're the Blauhild beans, the purple beans that I grow every year. So I've got them, and I've got some white runner beans. In the conservatory chitting. The rogue beans, so I'm just going to chit them and see if they're viable. If they start sprouting, then I'll put them into root trainers and I'll grow them on that way. And I'll have the Blauhild beans and the Moonlight runner beans this year as my main beans. I'm not going to grow Borlotti. Never really got a good enough crop off them to. Yeah, I'm going to give them a rest this year anyway. So that's the state of things here at the house at the minute. As I say, it's gone up to the allotment this afternoon. I've got peas, carrots, parsnips, potatoes. That's the main things that I want to get in the ground this weekend. And I also want to prepare some beds for the sweet corn and the beans for when they're ready. So I'm going to head off now, and I'll see you up at the allotment later. Bye for now.